Discover the secret to restoring your hair's natural strength and beauty with the RAQZSTARZ Hair Growth Collection. Every formula is crafted with your health in mind. No parabens, no phthalates, no PEGs, no harsh chemicals. Instead, we've harnessed the power of 22 carefully selected herbs and oils, including the time-tested magic of rosemary, trusted for centuries to stimulate growth and revive thinning hair. Pure, potent, proven. This is hair care the way it should be: safe, natural, and effective. Does it feel like every time you brush your hair, more and more strands are slipping away? There's a natural way to stop the shedding and help your hair grow stronger. Are you starting to notice thinning patches or balding areas? But with the right care, you can fight back, stimulating growth where it's needed most. Are your edges fading away, leaving you feeling like your hairstyles just aren't the same? Don't worry. With targeted nourishment, you can restore your edges. An itchy, flaky scalp isn't just uncomfortable, it's a sign your roots are crying out for moisture. Our nutrient-rich oils penetrate deeply, calming irritation while hydrating from the inside out. Imagine a scalp that feels balanced, nourished, and finally healthy again. Constant dyeing, blow-drying, and flat ironing can leave your hair lifeless, brittle, and broken. But it doesn't have to stay that way. RAQZSTARZ infuses your hair with vitamins and herbal oils that repair damage, restore shine, and bring resilience back to every strand, so you can style without fear. Are you struggling with hair breakage and split ends? RAQZSTARZ Hair Growth Collection strengthens each strand from root to tip with rosemary and 22 herbal oils. The RAQZSTARZ Hair Growth Collection is designed to stimulate growth, restore hydration, reduce shedding, and bring back your shine. Don't wait for a change, make it happen today. Visit RAQZSTARZ Hair Growth Collection at RAQZSTARZ.com and start your healthy hair journey now.